in your toolkit?
It's really simple, and for the case in Maryland, I think it shocked the judge a little bit. I use an iPad with the keyboard case. I use an Apple Pencil, and then I use an Apple TV and an extension cord. That's about it. I think I've got one of the little USB-C dongles that may have an HDMI cord input and a few USB slots. That's really it. But we thought we were going to need to spend a lot more time in that case up in Maryland, kind of testing tech, bringing tech in. We had hauled up all these monitors and stuff from North Carolina, but we ended up, they had decent technology in the courtroom. So after the trial was over, the judge looked at me and he's like, well, do you need a day or so to come in and get all your tech out? And I just sort of held up the Apple TV and a power strip, and I said, nope, we got it.